Here's a PSLE Maths Heuristics you must know. PSLE has some stamps. 444 of them are Singapore stamps. The remaining stamps are Japan stamps, and the rest are Malaysia stamps. If 1/3 of the stamps PSLE has are Malaysia stamps, how many stamps does she have? Notice that 2/5 of the remaining stamps are Japan stamps, then the rest, the Malaysia stamps, must be 3/5. But Malaysia stamps are also identified as 1/3 of the stamps. When a part is being related to a total, recall the heuristics relating a part to a total. In order to be able to finish the entire paper leaving some time for checking, you should finish this question under 4 minutes. Pause the video and get doing! In order to solve this, students require a good mental flexibility. Mental flexibility is one of the most important executive functions that children need in order to solve math problem sums. And that is why at ILLAC, we focus on the training of mental flexibility alongside the training of math heuristics so children can solve problem sums easily. Draw the model to help organize your thoughts. Always draw the known number in a circle. Then draw the remaining units and identify them. Since 3 units of the remainder is 1/3 of the total stamps, then the total stamps must be 9 units. Minusing away the 5 units of Japan and Malaysia stamps, 4 units are the Singapore stamps, which is 444. 1 unit is therefore 111, and the total number of stamps is 999. This is a very commonly tested heuristic, and students have to be very familiar with it. For more guidance in PSLE Maths Heuristics and other important tips and tricks, quickly get a copy of ILLAC's very own publishing, the PSLE Maths Essential Guidebook. Please like, click subscribe and notification bell to get notifications for more PSLE questions.